In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to pick a color that looks great and keeps your content easy to read. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with the page you want to adjust open on your screen. To begin, click the background. The easiest way to do this is to click an empty area of the canvas, away from text boxes, images, or buttons. If you accidentally select an element, just click again on a clear spot until you see the background controls appear. You'll know you've got it when a background toolbar or panel shows up, indicating you're working with the page background rather than a single section or element. Next, click on Change Background. This opens the background settings panel, where Wix presents a few different options. You'll typically see choices like color, image, and video. These are all just different ways to set your page's backdrop. Today, we're focusing on a simple, solid color because it's quick, consistent, and keeps your site lightweight and fast. If your editor shows a preview, you'll notice changes apply immediately to help you visualize the result as you go. Now, click on Color. This will bring up the color picker. You'll usually find your site's theme or brand colors right at the top, which is helpful for maintaining a consistent look across pages. You can also open the full color spectrum to explore more options. As you move through shades, keep an eye about how your text and buttons look. Good contrast makes your content more readable and accessible, especially for visitors on smaller screens or in bright environments. Then select the color you want. The editor will update right away so you can judge the overall feel. If you prefer precision, you can enter a specific hex code in the picker to match a brand guideline or a design from elsewhere. Take a moment to scan the page. Does your headline still pop? Do links and icons stand out? If not, try nudging the color slightly lighter or darker until the balance feels right. Remember, you can always undo if a choice doesn't work. That's all there is to it. Click the background, choose Change Background, open color, and pick the shade that fits your design. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll have a clean, cohesive look that supports your content beautifully. Thanks for watching and happy editing.